Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. Just doing a quick review of the Gen 2 system. I definitely would buy this again. It's a great piece of equipment. Stainless steel, Titan reel, full-blown base and everything. It's fairly straightforward. So I bought this from PowerWashStore.com, Bill Wilson and Paul Cassander, basically just because it had those two pumps. I mean, now I've got a built-in backup. It's pretty straightforward. The two cam locks, those are going to be your ends. The two male parts, those are your outs. You can use one for dedicated transfer, which is what I usually do for this side. I'll take it from a 55 or 275 tank, pump it onto the trailer. And then this side I usually have it set for running the actual reel. This goes from the out to your accumulator, and then from that to your reel and everything. Pretty straightforward. You get your on-off switches on the back. They've got supplied all the wiring, so I didn't have to worry about figuring that out. Comes with the J-rod. Couple of things that I would recommend when you buy this. They have a cone spray tip that works really great if you need just a real light touch. You know, you don't need a whole lot of liquid on it if you're doing something really steep. You just kind of need to mist it. That's a great piece. That was like $15. And then this, it's a three-way valve. You can basically hook that up on that other side so that if you need to fill up a bucket real quick with some bleach, you can do that without having to shut everything off, disconnect, or whatever. Also, when you buy this, I would recommend to get the PVC filter. The one that comes with it is got a brass bar, the rubber, and then the stainless steel mesh. That mesh was destroyed within about a month. But with the PVC filter, then I can leave it in there all day long and it's going to be just fine. You know, the hard part for me not being out in the field all the time with the guys is that you can see right now it looks like it's got bleach sitting in it. So once I finish this, I'm going to rinse it through some water. A couple of other safety things, and sorry for the noise here. Anytime you're going to take any of these cam locks off, especially when it's hooked to that accumulator, is to pull that trigger. Make sure that there is no pressure in there. I made the mistake of assuming that there was no pressure in it. Opened up that cam lock, it sprayed all over me, all over my face and clothes and everything. Fortunately, I was at home, was able to go inside real quick, rinse off. If I had been at a homeowner's house, it would have been a disaster. So just let that be a lesson to you and forewarning. Also, if you ever have issues with the 12 volts, sometimes they can get stuck. Just take a garden hose, you know, put it in here, turn the pump on, because I had it where the pump was making noise, but it wasn't the pressure. Something had just gotten jammed into it. Put the water pressure in there, that kind of forced it through, and it's been working fine ever since. Another modification that I needed to do for this, see, I ended up basically putting it on a 4x4 on either side, and then I basically made a frame to get it raised up high enough to have it over this lip. Anyways, guys, I hope that helps. Again, if you got other questions, just, you know, comment to the video or private message me or whatever. Again, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. Thanks.